Okay, for the last section, so it says solve for all values of x. So this means that instead of just having one round of the unit circle, that you can have every single round of the unit circle, so we keep going on forever and ever and ever. So we're going to do everything the exact same way we did the first 9 problems, but at the end we're just going to write our notation a little bit different. That's the only thing that's different. So I could have changed 1 through 9 to ask you the same thing, and you would just change what you do at the end, and that's it. Okay. So I'll kind of go back and show you that when we get there. So for number 10, first thing you need to notice is that they all have different trig functions. So the one you would want to change would be tangent. Okay, we can rewrite tangent as sine over cosine. So because we have cosine in the numerator and the denominator, we can cross those out. Alright, so because we just have the 2 functions, we can just take our GCF of sine x. And if you notice, we are just working with x, so we're not going to have to do the 2 rounds or anything like that. So if I set them equal to 0, you're looking for all the places on the unit where